Yes, so nkrako molombuto sexy tiny Abubakar Kilo Nbadumtinyim Nkako DJ Wounded. On our next conversation, 2026, it started. Kafara in a good fortuna. Not long ago, that is 2nd of 2026, there was a very big program, Eshi Busuno, Fancy Gadam, and then Mr. Glit, one of Amber very own. Blue City Gent, but what about program na faran nene ntma common logo nene. Let's delve into common all the happenings that took place lomba kanyubena and kubasu enoboko much information about the entire tenor. I think and you be ntakomo so for kana we kataga sanoba fokoto sexy tiny lomo program na flower komota.
All right, so ndamonta
but as an industry
wondo
okay
nyanya ba monto gwa nkra wotana
so as an industry player no so be informations valid information for pick from
valid information so and pick about Gletbo program na mon fancy gada title ala no sobre
Mr. Glet
X fancy gada
life in Busunu.
Okay. Program
Mr. Made in Busunu. Mr. Glet X fancy gada made in
Busunu. So agenda mtana pick plan kamo ka peso. First of all, because when I pick all of come ala the first program ko 2026.
Yeah, sure.
First program ko na within anyaba amfe.
Okay.
So akama basa na yo komune ne.
Yeah, sure.
Anka mundo na number baso mundo nka pick informations asanye. Karka banche no program na ba informations to anyana.
I see.
First of all, como bakaba issues we work ke anyi.
Yes.
Kan we na fancy gadam ka charge.
Okay.
Program na ka ba anyi.
After my charge.
Moka charge na kan we na so mantra mwamba. Because
I don't think
because I man charge.
Okay.
Man charge.
Okay.
It's alleged. So can we never kange na can we never pull na so mugwa na ga ka fana amount we me kanga so na mulo mo abi so wa ka you shows. Because labor amount no mo abi so ka you shows. So massa nampando. So it's alleged. Can we na a charge. Na can we never some. But ga ball basco so na some amount ko. So fancy gadam dambo program ato can we no mo lori beshin ka ba can we na etili can we na abakeke amwa bre amam laga mu akabo program na mba loge come night artists them ta dan pass through program na
I see.
dama go ba artist wota busunu ba artist wota bas them ta na ba kan fa na alan fancy gadam da mamba ba program na da kreben bolla
Like we were successful.
so do mba dan kan which na ma ba share mu don to be ka ba bre mu na mo
there's not a guarantee but so
we ka ba bre mu na mo na program na perform common night ya loge common night na I understand he perform only 4 or so songs
and so for
yes
after charging and taking
manaba akabe perform cause ba happen na global stage
okay
which kache ma anya ka finya aka mun yo na gba na anya kwe interest in program na because anya fina cause be happen so and
let me just make it clear to Anyu Bunupu fana abamongole stage na alle mic na
yes and the videos are there
videos now
water na evidence water manana akwa mic na
so what happened
we contacted Bomo organizers when you level issues be you don't contact artists
okay
Where was even the artist?
Artists very the small hotel
if no for ba be industry so for ba be industry so kenyi ante ba kan go so na to hear from the horse's own mouth when you come to Anyebo event organization is different from Kokawura in the media aspect na akura broto label issue you don't contact artists for man contact artists you for man concrete information na by contact event organizers na ba so organize program na busunu wa finality event organizer kumban Gabon so Gabon Sejo Flex one finality
busunu front row guys
come all ba so and bird lead busunu be in that so cuz come about happen busunu entertainment industry na contact labor basare
okay
we contacted labor guys and anake and we na nye information.
Wow.
Immediately kabo mu fancy gadan kata video na le never sebe. Karkache Gabon update on our Kasha Entertainment platform first. Kanga koso in breakdown of course happen. So karamo na kan la kamuto.
This will breakdown asa.
Malaga kan we naka program na wura na fancy gadan bulga stage I'm palpa kabe mata ma survey. Na mu team be sama ta samu
fancy gadan be team be sama
ta sama sana no busu no organizers ba ofo no an kafa na brafo so gadan an ta sama sana
okay
finyi na mu na yin ta san kafa balance we ka or whatever so no be mutually
okay
na
so this was the disagreement according to organizers
na balge
okay
ko so eno mo akana na ba ma in media be kan anya ko so fane football location can cross check.
Okay.
Hala for new for to account location cross check.
Okay.
Saka man ka okay stay na. So on krama numu ka man la na ya kam. Ka karan war ma further investigation.
Wow.
On my further investigation, I follow up one of my as enemy informations from Mokoto. Apart from Lomba guys na, anka kan kan mo leading that na anka ko basu busunu. Kara so information bon ko ta dang so. So come informant nando. So I follow up you fune na send video nsema. When I let Mike na ka yo.
Okay.
Na ko confirm.
And then before na let Mike na anwu aka you back.
Ya malaga askoto
organizers na koto.
Yes.
Ntoma understand maba
na ka Mike
na pa.
Na ko confirm.
Yes.
Kosena Gabon malana before ni yo post como magwagwa should fane o meaning que stay na ki yo po man fane man tras Gabon ba kamalaga and tras mo kamala but as a media person I can down fane beton cross check
so for cross check fane beton as abana beton confirm
lo wor na gba ka ma fane que stay na
okay I'm sure as
na ka kan wor ma fane lo wor na ni anda san fane al makasio fana nan ram mo kam na bishi as upon one fancy bagwa be fan and that person confirm.
Wow.
So no move no then can say na. Na le Mike na.
Wow.
And ka balage. But silence akoso na keke. Fa ka le Mike na ncho. Ba ka fa ma sar na fa ba. Mama owukum ka kana kama mo ko so enemy wukum ala fa na. Then Uncle post I feel I disrespect industry one.
Sure.
I disrespect the whole Savannah industry.
Because people came there, but
yes.
For
fans.
You can keep kumu up to Lombo
time. Mana because it's a village. Get you cry I got as a Amasravia program. Musicians can perform. But man can Amasana Bakalan Amawa no. Balom ko sona ka happen cher.
Okay.
On one musician talo ko won ko sona bianye son cher.
I see.
Yes. Meeting yinge Boresabu program.
Yeah.
Don Sigley did the same thing.
Yeah, I was there.
Man pan ka be so.
Let's make it clear that kumo de mishi don sile koto.
Yes.
As not am follow don sile
ambana.
Mobe make lumba
because lomba ora. But yo a village lomba ora.
Yeah, sure.
Be ken afna the village na. Be ken afna the village na.
Yes.
So now you and I will not reach out to know na can understanding ba. So no bana ambraka mo fe.
Yeah, sure.
Man so men ka fun for be program to. Na fa ba ka perform. Na bana matafo na fa na nta.
Okay.
Nanta man kafa remaining balance na fi na mo na tan kafa balance
e kan
betan ba fa kan ba men mala Mr. Glade ba ba shi
Mr. Glade ba shi na ne tan sa
to fu punu na
on the part of this whole Buruhaha show na war baba Mr. Glade.
Yes.
Glade more happy with story we na can break out with regarding to this whole thing. Mawa ma social media mba sa more of a side of the story. Looking at Kosana Mr. Glade Malaga, Finton Foko much information about Kumai, then Finton Sani brief of Mr. Glade Maba side of the story.
Silence as an issue.
Okay.
Fokeni sexy but touch kaboko. Throwing the mic now, that microphone and learner.
Okay.
It's not only like say you are angry over Kamashina for Kamanya Fata.
Okay.
It is a sign that Mnalabanye as by come na fala you work na alafo ko
Okay.
man alafo so na ta come le the industry is nothing and some na ka bala fun no akran ba de ben kan asa kan saka ma sharbe ko so again artist work na promotion bana again ka na jiga again the whole music industry na jiga that's a disrespect.
Wow.
So for Mr. Glade to even like speak to somebody in that manner, this is an industry. Mr. Glade doesn't suggest to us or decide to us what we should say when we observe.
I'm only sure now what I'm on the right story. If
I come out for there, he's an artist. He is the artist. But there are people behind him.
First of all, I make clear to our viewers and the side of Mr. Glade's story. If you are concerned about sexy, sexy, we will talk about what we make of most of
Mr. Glade's side of his story.
But
it was unprofessional. Look, what the only thing they said was Mr. Glade said, Fancy never drop off stage because of money.
Okay.
And it was unprofessional for every media person to put it out there. Do you know why? If there is a story that this is what happened, then Fancy Gadam dropped off this stage, a show between himself and Mr. Glade. Okay. Then you are contacting Mr. Glade. You should be able to tell the audience that nevertheless, this is what Mr. Glade said caused the guy to go off stage.
Okay.
Is that also?
There is always two sides of a story. Maybe we have already heard one side, which is the event organizers. Then Glade is equally telling us the other side.
So do you know something? I am highly disappointed at Mr. Glade. And I'm not afraid to say this. Okay. I'm happy to speak about this issue on a podcast because 2 days ago, Fancy Gadam reacted to these particular allegations on TikTok and his Facebook handle.
So, reaction now.
You good. So, speaking about this thing, I have made my mind to speak wholeheartedly what I know about this issue. And just like says Kamala, we media certified person, but following the industry, I know where to hit and where not to hit.
Okay.
I've been in the industry, and Mr. Glade is aware. We receive most of them into the industry, so we know where to hit and where not to hit when it comes to music and entertainment. You understand? So, in this regard, Mr. Glade himself, I'm speaking this on authority, said he knows that the organizers told him not to grant any interview.
I see.
He's aware.
The organizers now come off an Asanka grant interview.
Oh, I'm telling you that when the thing happened, we have followed them.
Okay.
And then responding to Fancy Gadam's response on TikTok now.
Okay.
Not responding is something like Mr. Glade chipped in something that if you want to follow, you are dragging his name to the mud. Okay. And for Savannah Music, he has done something great by pulling people to the show.
Okay.
And then, if I'm not mistaken, this is one of the biggest show ever in Savannah region.
Wow.
So we wouldn't drag his name to the mud. That is why we wouldn't go deep. But by then, for him to come, your organizer or a big person like Gabon in Busnu, when it comes to entertainment, will come to give an account. Gabon and Sejo and these guys, though the other guy was, but Gabon and other guys, they were the front desk guys. So they can account because what's no microphone. Why the guy was standing, Gabon and batching.
Wow.
And then that is where the discussion was. So if the person will come back and this is the reason Nukutina Balgay. Father artist work out heads cannot film the stage now. You father
just because you have that discussion.
I'm coming.
Hold your fire.
And then Mr. Glade at this point, if he's watching this video, he should just bow his head like this. In shame. Reason being this, you have organizers who have helped you to organize a show. And when they are coming to account for a frustration that they've gone through, a disrespect that they've gone through, you will come outside to tell that what the person came to put that the person got down on stage. Now you are incriminating those organizers. You are disrespecting those organizers. And you are making them look like these people are not part of. So whatever they are saying is needless. That is the
Maumusho.
That is what he's trying
just
to say. But these guys have done well. Let me even tell you that I'm aware, say, before Fancy, as they were expecting Fancy Gadam now, they were Busnubura, then Mu chiefs, they were sitting, allegedly, they were sitting and waiting the bowl Kangana, Yundona, Chobumo.
Wow.
Now, I'm going to because from Mayo, the chiefs got angry and left.
Wow.
I'm gonna back about they had to now speak to some few people, but you know, welcome. This thing happened over there. It's disrespect.
Wow.
You understand?
Wow.
And then it's because like the moment hit, they write Angle Sana Nomoka back.
Okay.
And then they even made it known to him, say, oh, with the amount allegedly 20,000 now. You are coming to a village, so just come and help us. Okay, we know where the people hit. And then he agreed on the 20,000. Wow. And where he Fancy Gadam requested they should come with this particular car, allegedly from the organizers. We are aware of this, should we tell him? So you shouldn't think that we don't know what we are saying.
Maybe Sexy. Sexy. What was the side of the story of Mr. Glit?
So Mr. Glit is the right person to tell Anyemo side of the story. But Kosoena atan water na malaga mana more side of the story from Mugwagwa Koto. Because Mugwagwa bra na atan kanga Anyemo side of the story. Ba Kosoena malaga. Atan wuto futu fene aya Kosoena ba malaga na organizers na mo organizers na be malaka.
So I manalaka shinten.
Kamalaka stem because
I manama fancy gadan palong.
Manama so na fancy gadan pal and Balaga stage na. The reason is silencer. I can't malam mama kanga anyi kosoe kabo. Mabu problem na. Kra fa kanga anye.
That's it.
Kadana. Ba kosoe na fa organizer ba ka fi mana kamona. To kamona. Which na ge Kenya kan munye kachana.
Wow.
So now that ko side of the story. Just like unde aka amon ko side of the story na. Adan kange. Oh, my side of the story dey. Leso na lane leso na Fancy Gadan Balaga stage.
He's protecting his collaboration.
And pe koswe na anya to nu from organizers na.
Okay.
Na baswe will show na to. No organizers na da go to na nya bi no. Baswe will show baswe ka wo show na to baswe ka organize program na. Bomo ko to na nya bi no na.
So what do you think could be the reason now Korofane was the Mr. Glit will protect the image of Fancy Gadan?
First, Kakaware, Mokoramba can I sound systems. I DJ woman. DJ never ta first. I DJ na for corp na.
Yes.
Fancy Gadan, na different Fancy Gadan kumo bagwa DJ.
I am DJ.
Because when Kakao Lona, Oladis posted on more status. Fane, I DJ na. DJ Waker and DJ
Ola this big claim more performance.
Yes,
but
from DJ na nkakanga and Polonso na Fancy Gadan Bulu stage.
That was Oladis
very so na Oladis ka come status nana. So first, unbelief until nkana more investigations. Bonu event organizers so point number pin fane. So unko no Oladis pina. Angbagwa kranka mu kumuna no. Fancy Gadan kumu DJ na nete. So DJ we being far up, being distract for performance, Martin distract Fancy Gadan for performance because fun more use the same DJ, more DJ na. So don't know for no more bakamala monta. For now become so you can stay na.
So what is mana amfu fane was the nangana be cover up, Mr. Glit be cover.
Mr. Glit be cover Fancy Gadan up na no could be dulfana. Mr. Glit be time. Mr. Glit is one of my favorite musicians.
Yes.
So now let me put this on record. And Mr. Glit is someone na kalafane I'm going to reach out to ma. Support come out when it comes to industry and manchomoto.
Yes.
And I will continue supporting him.
Yes, sure.
Because I be able to side na we need loan other places. Na anyebe industry na. Now leli aratan danga damongo industry.
Yeah, sure.
From Busunu program come na damongo Mr. Glit mo. Same as the boy ke na anyebo kondo. Na atenyo ball endo nye salaga bi pay. Amba nyiro fu fene industry na be kiwa na. So loan na be worna so loan so me samu shenga. But I be protect koskona. Fene nya links with Fancy Gadan na be KN Jijilia. Come on Jije. Sounds bolo from bolo Fancy Gadan so no fukia ask come on.
Yes.
Glit ask nkenyina. This stage program that Busunu.
I'm na one flop show Busunu.
Among one mountain.
Yeah, sure.
Amount of flop show Busunu. Mr. Glit community center na lokoso na biti you na program jemana keke na ko bolo. So man so na fi san fu bolo Fancy Gadan so the full Castina, and can protect come because mass and fan about rapport, fan about relationship, IGJ. One, I understand is because more pending collaboration.
Pending collaboration.
Allegedly, because I don't want to disclose as I'm confident, but I'm Mr. Great in Malaga. Ninja Sampoko. And I understand because of lumber pending collaboration. Until unless of course fancy gather man work and konanda kaman cher bibi no mun misagre be collabo.
Wow.
Bakar kashe. So for man call kashe na so na ba disrespect for industry. Fabo organizers fu busuna kono kolombo kosonda ka break dey ile fene misaglet anyama na support mbaba man lolomo basa. Because one angaba bunana. Whilst for organizers but we have a cardinal industry players with the one side, father or yaka one side.
Okay.
What does it mean?
Let me come back to Fokoto for up on this one and some. And you fancy Gadanka you social media, are you TikTok live? And then Anyabo Kabranti be a young rich Kali, Mawale Shibompo. I bishu manaso na fabubu sunumba pala stage ba man sharaboso. Balaga nta Michael Lake ang balage na reply mo fane amang balage uncle Mike was the name stage ba man share so I nye bishi Mr. Glit ko reason way sana agbalage and even upon akakran worlo na I Glit reach out to me apologize and someone on the next day so according to what labor respondere kudula fane rather koskono bo wormo fancy gadan kamanyale come on our warrant apology na Mr. Glit be render asamo the following day na so with that now will you say Glit betray industry na
Silencer chance of customer and job for Kenny Glit mun betray industry na
okay
one can betray industry na
okay
in the sense that cause one fancy gadam kaya warna a stand on Glit Bakamalaga. Then Lumbo said media guys now who come on whole substance now. Because something they just like Kamalolo. So Manalakamo come no hold. Thinking said these people, okay, if this PFM can come back African Malays number, that means these people they don't know the money industry, the money entertainment. They are sincerely village. But we know, say, if not Kanwara, I have to hit here, then get the information. Then I will spec it out. So I would say he stood on that to do his damage control. He has damaged his look, Fancy Gada of Mokaliba, Mandaga Fane, you come then level Kosovo Kawara. Fuck a travel color about state back Masharbi. When you took an amount, then come for us to show, and you want to come and
that is another thing. Your rich come after we come is it 10,000 or so. Now can one match at 10,000 for sure. I ABC event organizers now. They only beg and he take 13,000 or so. So he only take 13,000. Was it 20,000 and above?
20,000 and above.
If I look at if event organizers now, but now so. Is it 13,000 or so? Mama saw 10,000 for the program.
So when we walk to school, when you see something, you don't react to it.
Okay.
And I've been a dig into the issue, but so can our friend Desma. It will interest Fancy Gadam to know that we are aware when the organizers approach him, allegedly from them, he charged them 20,000. Okay. Name withheld, Mr. Glit was led by a police officer who like is close to Nana Bozo. And you know the relationship between Fasikadam and Abozo.
I see.
So he rather stepped in. So according to the organization, me, I was not there. You understand? I was not there. Okay. And then when they call him, they told him, say, oh, the place you are going in Abana, population Amishi is a village. That's the mentality they put into this guy. We are aware of this thing, what they told him. I wasn't there. Did he see me there? Look at my, did he see me there? Okay. But this is what the people who are like organizing the show now, okay. And then we are speaking as per what I have a recording. I have a recording
Okay.
of Kosuo Namaka pick from the chats of Kosuo Namaka pick about 31 minutes recording what transpired of Lombe issue now. It's on my phone.
I see.
Okay, so if it can happen, then look about okay, you guys should give me 10,000 because Kabo me na Kamala.
Okay.
Fancy Gadan being an opportunist when he came over from this crowd is not Kosuo Makan Kabunal village now. Go. You and now will know that okay, the money for rock machine being enough. I shouldn't have taken this money for this kind of show. So now there's a video when he was performing. He went back to speak to that guy that was arguing. Now move on from video. There's a second video. Now guys now this is the time the guy went to stay to pick the money.
I see.
That was the time the guy went to pick the money. But the Busulu guys also gang up and they will now look for a robber. And then they were picking them like leaves. They were picking them. That is what they said to me, what happened. Okay. So when you see on that day, and there's no video, but to them, they said they just packed them into the robbers like that.
Okay.
So that was what happened. So Fancy Gadan should be rest assured said, look, the time you were struggling, you are seeing a spotlight now. We were into our industry and we're doing our best. Me, when I came to the industry as an industry player, you were a dancer. Fancy Gadan was a dancer, if he cares to know.
Okay.
Okay, so before Ponaba up, so he can't come and tell me, say, I don't know what I'm speaking as an industry player. When you come to my my vicinity,
okay.
So I know where to touch and engage you. So I want him to know that the damage control he's doing with his people now. Look, he has you've done more than enough to a village, to a town, to a music industry, which shouldn't have happened.
Wow.
That young artist you are seeing now, Tumfe, I'm a young artist.
Okay.
And Sexy said it that a man need Fancy Gadan, but it was just that they had an occasion which was Busunu homecoming.
Okay.
They needed something different to give to the audience.
Okay.
That is why they resorted to you.
Okay.
So if you are coming and you think say you will not come and entertain, you just come and do anything and go. Andre, I was in a car when two guys were speaking about that show. A village guy who came from
you are landed.
Daboya Road Nando. His motorbike was stolen. A new Hauju motorbike. He came to watch you. He came for you to entertain him. You refused. Because you moto 10,000 Africans on a photo 10 tapete Hauju motorbike new one. But the guy came and they sold that motorbike. Meanwhile, someone performed some outfit.
Wow.
If you are hearing this, how will you feel? With that disrespect you came to post. So I'm telling Mr. Glitch said, Mr. Glitch should have stand by. Because we will let Fancy Gadan know that the boy in question is not a smaller artist.
Yeah.
But you want to sell us out.
Vicinity, he's a big boy.
You understand? You want to let the guy know that.
Okay.
And you knows. Meanwhile, we are trying to protect Father image. For disrespect, we can't disrespect now. And then you want to sell us out.
Okay, so let's put it on that notice. Ayo, I mean, level topic are mbunfi. Anye bit about last final topic. So stay tuned.